we're getting some more breaking updates coming in, and these are visuals of Kolkata lawyers protesting in front of the High Court. We're getting back-to-back updates on this story. These are live pictures and live updates. So we told you initially that the story is moving at a very, very fast pace right now. Now we see these visuals coming in. These are advocates holding protest over the RG Card Medical College and Hospital rape and murder incident. And these are lawyers. These are Kolkata High Court lawyers are right now out in the streets. And they are protesting. They're asking for justice. They're asking for answers.
मैम आज आप लोग सड़क पर उतरे हैं, प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या डिमांड थी आप लोगों की?
जल्द से जल्द अपराधी को सजा मिलना चाहिए और अभी तक जो स्टेट में जो चल रहा है वो भी ठीक नहीं है। सरकार के खिलाफ हम सब इकट्ठा हैं, लेकिन सरकार को कुछ ठोस मजबूत कुछ करना चाहिए औरतों के लिए, जैसे निरापत्ता, सिक्योरिटी, सीसीटीवी इन एवरी हॉस्पिटल्स, छात्रों को सुविधा चाहिए और लड़की लोगों को रात को सुरक्षा। ये हमारे मेन मुद्दा है और अपराधी को सजा ज़रूर मिलना चाहिए। उर्वशी बनर्जी एडवोकेट।
All right, viewers. So what you see right now is these top visuals coming in, where the Kolkata High Court lawyers are in fact right out on the streets. And like we told you that it's not just the students, the medical students, the resident doctors and junior doctors who are out on the streets. Now we're seeing that even Kolkata High Court lawyers are out on the streets, and they're demanding justice. They're demanding the quickest punishment for the people that are behind this, and not just that, they're also demanding justice for Abhaya. Holding those signs and walking on the streets. These are Kolkata High Court lawyers staging a protest. We'll be connecting soon to a reporter, but this is coming in, viewers, as resident doctors are also on strike, demanding laws that ensure their safety while on duty. We are seeing that now the legal fraternity in Kolkata is joining in that protest. It really speaks a lot about, the impact that this case has had on the entire nation, amongst not just the citizens, but different, whether it's medical fraternity or even the legal fraternity. So that's a big update coming in right now on Republic TV. And I believe we have our reporters who are joining us live. Vishakha is joining us from a Republic Bangla newsroom. Vishakha, if you could take our viewers through, these visuals coming in, because we have seen that the Supreme Court and the Calcutta High Court had taken this case very seriously, and the legal fraternity right now in Kolkata, they're asking for justice. Take us through the latest details coming in, Vishakha.
Yes, the lawyers who are on the streets right now, they are seeking justice for RG Court. This is the hashtag, trending hashtag right now in Kolkata, in West Bengal, in the entire nation, as you can see. That hashtag justice for RG Court is a trend right now. And the protesters right now, we can see that they are the lawyers of the city, the senior lawyers, and they are actually, they might be followers of different political lines, but right now, they are marching in protest against this heinous crime that has been done against Abhaya, the doctor, the lady doctor who was killed and raped in RG Kar Hospital. And now they are seek quick justice for Abhaya, for the victim of this heinous crime. And you can see that every day from the alleys, from the main roads, from everywhere, we can witness that there are rallies coming in protest of this heinous crime. And all of them, this is the day, this is a particular pious day in Bengal, because this is called Raksha Bandhan Day, and everybody is tying a rakhi on the arm of a particular person, irrespective of the gender. It might be a lady, it might be a man. The person who is tying the rakhi on the arms of the other person is saying, they are saying that they seek justice. And everybody, when some person is meeting another person, they are saying that we seek justice for Abhaya. We need quick justice for this particular victim of this heinous crime. And as you can see that the lawyers are marching.
Yes. Vishakha, come back to you.